Lecture 10. Working with pictures and shapes in MS PowerPoint. Student learning outcome. After learning this lecture, students will be able to work with spelling in MS Word, work with grammar in MS Word, apply and use automatic spelling and grammar check. Why use pictures? Pictures make your presentations exciting. They grab attention and help your audience remember your ideas better than plain text. You can add pictures from your computer or even find some online. You can also take screenshots directly in PowerPoint. Adding pictures makes your slides pop and keeps them engaging for everyone watching. How to insert a picture? Here's how you can add pictures to your slides. Go to the Insert tab and click Pictures. A box will open. Pick the picture you want from your files and click Insert. Your picture will appear on your slide. You can move it wherever you want. If you want to take a screenshot, select Screenshot under the Insert tab. You'll see all your open windows. Just pick one and it will be added to your slide using clip art and photo albums. Do you need some fun pictures? Use clip art. Click the Insert tab, then choose Clip Art. Type a keyword like tree or dog, and it will show you images to add. You can even create a photo album by selecting multiple pictures and adding them to your slides at once. How fun is that? With these tools, you can make your presentations colorful and creative. Try adding pictures and see how much more amazing your slides can look. If you only want specific types of images, use the drop-down menu to deselect other file types like movies or sounds. After that, click Go and a list of related images will appear. Choose your favorite image and click to add it to your slide. It's as simple as that. How to select and modify a picture? Let's make your pictures perfect. To select a picture, simply click on it. You'll see a solid border around it. Want to resize it? Click and drag the corners until it's just the right size. Need to move it? Click, hold, and drag it to the perfect spot. If you don't need a picture anymore, click on it and press the Delete key. Easy peasy! Shapes. Adding some extra style. Shapes can make your slides super cool. From circles to stars, you can add different shapes to make your presentation more exciting. Go to the Insert tab, click on Shapes, and pick one from the drop-down menu. Then click and drag on your slide to draw the shape. You can also resize, rotate, and move the shape to make it fit perfectly. Shapes are a great way to highlight important ideas. Wrapping it up. With pictures, clip art, and shapes, your PowerPoint slides can look colorful, creative, and fun.